after a big brainstorming, we decided to look if Podcast Academy, hooray, podcastacademy.info is free. So we are going to take it. We are now the happy owners of podcastacademy.info. So after that, you have to install a CMS like Joomla or WordPress, the WebOpera Basecamp on the web. Let's see if the username of Podcast Academy is free around on the social platform. Yeah, we can see that it's free on Twitter, on Facebook, on Wikipedia. So it's okay. We can use it all around the social platform. So now let's go to create in Google App the Basecamp for podcastacademy.info. In this configuration, it's free. We have 15 user accounts. That's it. And now we have access to the most important thing to manage the WebOpera Basecamp. Now we have to see what characters we need. We need a web operator. This is the community manager. In the first step, it's the person who is driving the starting of the web opera. After that, this character will be taken by somebody else from the company or from the project. We need also a sound engineer. It's for technique of voice. We need also video editor. Why a video editor? Because in this case of showcase, we said that the podcast is now videocast. You know, we have to put some images on the sound to push this video content, videocast on the video platform. It's important to distribute the content and the podcast all around. We need a web DG. This is the guy who is going to push the content online on the different platforms. And we need a director, content manager. Let's go to create the characters in Google App. For now, we don't have actors to put in the characters, so we are going to name it with one, and the name of the character we define there. We have now our 6 characters with internet identity. Now for each character, let's go to create a Facebook profile and then make them friends. Let's create a Twitter account and make them followers. Let's create a Facebook group and make them members of this group. After that, we can find the actors to take the characters. Then we can give them the keys of the account. Each of them must update accounts with first name, last name, and other information, pictures. Let them starting to collaborate, to discussing about podcasting. All of this content, discussion, exchange of knowledge, or a part of it, could be pushed in the mainstream of Podcast Academy across the social networks. Each of them are going to make his own fan on Facebook or followers on Twitter. Each of them are going to make a micro community for each of them and continuing to collaborate, discussing about podcasting in that case, because we take this like a showcase. All these people can now collaborate and they are naturally derived to the main place of the WebOpera. In fact, the website our Facebook page, and then sharing and collaborate on the project management system, but this is another story.